Okay, cut. So from name itself you can understand, no, cut actually what it will do. So for example, if you have some file, okay, like this, you have some file dot text, okay, and you have three columns. So here you have this file, for example, file dot text, and it have three columns. For example, ID, name, and age. So these are three columns, and it have unique IDs. No, one, two, three, and you have names and ages, right? So totally three columns in this file. So you want to print only the particular column actually. So that time this cut command will help you to print only those particular. So cut command, right? And file name is file dot text. So here hyphen f, okay. So if you want to display only the column 2 values, like name field is there, no, only that one you can use hyphen 2. So hyphen 1 means it will print only the first column, and like this it will go, okay. And also you have cut hyphen c to file dot. For example, so I said no, for every command you use no cut or what and all we seen cat, ls, in everything, no, it have that like for example ls, along with ls you have some parameters, no, already we have discussed it have l, t, or like that, no, you can use example ls hyphen l, ls hyphen t. So like that every command have some parameters you need to use along with this. So cut also have cut hyphen f, cut hyphen d, cut hyphen c, like that. So cut hyphen c, you know, it will cut or it will print, this is like characters, okay. So cut hyphen c means it will print only two characters. So here what and all you have id, one space, two space, like that, okay. So if we go in live environment, you can see what it does. So for example, I am creating one new file, okay. So file okay, sample dot text, okay, insert. So let's put this itself. Okay, so cut hyphen f. Okay. So this is a file, right? So I said no. See, it will cut, or means if you along use along with cut command, if you use C, so it will print or it will cut with that characters. No, so one means this one it will take as one, right? So it printed everything from one is I, so entire file is printed. So this is one, two, three, four, five, like that you consider, okay. So let's see from 3 to, because this is our file, right? Here 1 2, the space is 3, right? And this is n is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 means 1, 2, 3. With along with space, it have printed the entire thing. So let's type 4 to, what it means 4 hyphen nothing means 4 hyphen infinity. So until the end of file it will print actually. That's what it means. Yeah, you can see the difference, right? That space have been trimmed now, because here one, two, three, four. 4 is n name. So from n to until this full file it's been printed actually. So that's the cut command. So this one full explanation for this cut command. So cut is an extremely powerful text manipulator. It manipulates the text column wise vertically. Okay, there is no horizontal cut, only the vertically, like column wise. You know about database, no? Rows and columns. Table consists of rows and columns. So even files also have rows and columns, right? So like column nothing but vertical wise, and rows is like horizontal basis. So cut, it will cut only vertically basis. Okay, this is often used with combination with other Linux commands or filters. So that day we have seen pipe, right? So ls and pipe with word count we have used. Same thing, cut also you can use along with word count. Cut command along you can use. Okay, cat also you can use. Cat command will print everything. Pipe cut command means what it will do. It will display the entire contents using cat command. Along with that, if you use pipe and cut command means in that entire file, it will print only the specified columns actually. So that's what they says. Okay, cut command can be used along with combination of other Linux commands. It will allow to cut part of lines from specified file or piped data. Piped data is nothing but that pipe I have said, no? That's the one. Okay, and print the results to standard output. Cut command used to cut part of line by delimiter, byte position, and character. Okay, so that's the reason we have cut. Along with cut, you can use hyphen B, hyphen C, hyphen D. Hyphen C is like you can cut or print based on character wise. Hyphen B means byte. Hyphen D means delimiter. Okay, it knows file specified, or when file is hyphen, command reads from standard input. Okay, so these are the syntax. Like I said, no, it have different options or parameters. So mostly you concentrate about these four, hyphen B, C, D, F. These four only we frequently use: bytes, characters, delimiters, field. So let's take one example. Yeah, can you see? If nothing is used along with cut command, it will display error, right? So for example, I already created sample.txt. See, same error. You must specify list of bytes, character, or field. Only cut it won't work. So cut hyphen D pipe. So this one, always remember, this is the pipe symbol. Okay, pipe and hyphen F 2 comma 3 test dot text. So they have pipe delimiter. That day I have said, like Unix by default it have some uh, backspace, uh, okay, delimiter. So that's the reason, right? It will consider even in the paragraph, it consider each as some different line and it will print. But instead of that, if you what I did, no, that day directly I copied some content from Google and I provided to you, and you calculated the word count, but it all considered as one file, because you means I just copied from Google and I provided to you. So that's the reason, no, it consider all paragraph as just one line. It didn't break actually. So we have delimiters. Okay, so delimiter means it will separate one field to another field. So for example, this is my name. So it will consider as one field. Instead of that, if you have now how many fields? So total four field. This is one field because no delimiter. But here it is four field. This is my name. It have this pipe delimiter. Similarly, you can have like hyphen also you can use. Anything which is separating, no, that's kind of delimiter or separator, you can say. It will separate that entire line. Actually, now we also we have four field, but here you have only one field. There is no separator or delimiter, just the space is there in between these four words. So for example, they have created this test dot text with pipe delimiter. Okay, so let's take the same file. Okay, vi uh, insert, paste, escape. Okay, so came here at uni.txt. Like that, I created one pipe separator file. Okay, so this is like some separator is there in between. So this file what I created now, it don't have any separator, right? Initially I created one file, it don't have any separator. So now it have this pipe separator. Now I want to print only. Okay, I use. Okay, okay, hyphen f is must. Okay, so this is our input, and it have how many columns? One, two, three, four, five. I think ID, name, some department, date, some kind of salary. So total five columns there. So what I have done now, only second column, right? Only names. Okay. So in the live scenario also, in a real work time environment also, you might have this kind of scenario. Like in this file, just I want to print only the names. I am not interested in ID, salary, and all. So that time you can use hyphen f. Oh, this will f is field. This is second column. Why I am using this d is based on delimiter, right? So it have the delimited pipe. So based on delimiter, it will consider everything as separate columns. Then hyphen f means it will print second. Okay, so what I do, let's, you can see the difference. If I didn't use delimiter, it consider everything as one column, one field. You can say one field. So that's the reason hyphen f, if I use without any delimiter, it is printing everything. You understood, huh? Difference. Understood difference between this one, same hyphen f1. So if you use this delimiter d pipe symbol, it will consider every column as one field and print. For example, one means it will print only IDs. So without any delimiter means it consider all as just one field. So it will print the entire thing. Okay, so that's what it says. Then this is B for bytes. Okay, so hyphen B. So bytes means same bytes, we know, right? One byte equal to 8 bits kind of thing. So byte means like individually it will consider everything as one byte. So I printed 1 comma 2, right? So that's the reason 221133 it got printed. So let's give 1 to 5. uh, why it came like this? Any idea? When I give cut. Uh-huh. No, no, no. So this output printed like two pipe, one pipe, three pipe, no? So why it's printed? This is your input, for example. From here, why it printed like this? So I will put it here itself. You just compare and tell me why it printed like this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Because I mentioned 1 comma 5. So first byte is 2, fifth byte is pipe, right? So only 1 comma 5 is 2 pipe like this. So if I give 1 comma 6 means 2a 1 j 3 s, like that. 1 second. Command not found. 1 second. Ah, yes, yes, sorry, sorry. Sorry. Correct. That is the reason. Yeah, understood. No, 1 comma 7 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 dot 1 a like this. Okay, it all considers one byte. Okay, so we have seen about d, b for bytes, and like you have different examples from here. Okay, and you can work it out. So hyphen c we will do now. Hyphen c. So B and C almost it looks same only actually. So this one also it will cut based on the characters. So again, like I used one first character or byte, and from 7 to 8. Seventh is dot, K is eighth. So B and C is almost same only. That's one kind of options. And you have hyphen d, that is for delimiter. So based on the file, if you have pipe delimiter, you can use pipe. So for example, I have file with comma delimiter. Okay, so for example I have some file. So possibility there, no, it's not always pipe delimiter. You have some file like 11 comma a comma some salary, like this you have files. Okay, B comma like this. So this is comma delimiter or comma separator. So that time, okay, you have to use like this. Then hyphen F. I want to print only the second column. So like this, you can use sample dot text. So otherwise, without this delimiter hyphen F come two or one, whatever you mention, it will print entire because it considers everything as field, one field. So delimiter you have to use very carefully based on the real delimiter which is there. So if this is comma separator file, right? So for example, if you use pipe, it won't work. Again, it will consider everything as one field only because there is no pipe delimiter. Okay, so that's about cut command. Okay, so that's what. Yes, yes. Okay, so then wildcard is very important one. So this is about, okay, asterisk, question mark, and braces. Okay, so asterisk matches one or more occurrence of any character, including no character. So for example, like in the file, right? You have some folder, a folder, and you have example 10,000 files. Okay, and you have created, okay, so 10,000 folders, but you created very very important scripting files with your name Suresh dot text, Suresh one dot text, Suresh sample dot text. So I just like instead of searching all these 10,000 files, no, I want only the Suresh, okay, star like this asterisk, okay, Suresh asterisk dot text. So it will print all the files with have the name Suresh, because even 10,000 files I am not interested in those, because those are not useful actually. Only with Suresh I have some important document. So you can search with this asterisk. So question mark represent, like if I show this in a like a live command, you can understand. The question mark represents or matches single occurrence of any character, okay, and braces matches any occurrence of the character. So basically, this wildcards like asterisk, question mark, and braces, which you can use. Mm. Okay, so for example, along with ls, they have used L long listing of files and L star. So you can see the outputs, right? These are the file names. So it printed all the files in your current directory path, which starts with L. So same thing, right? Suresh star means it will print all the files which starts with Suresh, like that. Okay, so that's the use of this L star. For example, here I have a test.pdf, test.png. In T itself, I have a lot of files, right? So T star, uh, see all test.pdf, because this all starts with T. That's what, okay. This star wildcard actually, and okay, these are same. Okay, so question mark it will matches just single character. Okay, so for example, instead of T, question mark. Yes. One second. Okay, okay. It won't work like this. Okay. So this question mark have some less feature only comparing to this star. Okay, because just one single characters, just it will. So this question mark, no, it will replace with E. Understood? No. So you have only new. So for example, if you have now, okay, I am creating one file. For example, now dot text. Okay, just sample. Yeah, yeah, correct. So hello, I am putting. Okay. So now you can use this wildcard n question mark w dot text. So all files it will come new one now. Okay, it just replace n this question mark with a to z all characters. Okay, so this one I didn't see, even I didn't use anywhere question mark. Why I will use question mark, right? So instead of that, this one I can use, right? You have a lot of features, but which is very convenient for you, that one you will use, right? So n star means all n will come. Why instead of that n star like this you will use, right? Sorry, n question mark I will use. So and this one, it just in brace, right, it will replace with all those characters. So for example, n is there, right, and here n, same I can use text. Okay, here a e I o u, again same output. So in the braces which and all there, no, so instead of this question mark means it will replace any characters. and star means it will search for any character, right, from A to Z. But AEIOU means from this five only I want to get. So for example, I have a new one now, right? So for example, now if I give, it won't give two outputs just from AEIU, because now as letter O, but I want to means interested only in AEIU, so that's the reason this one is came. So that's the use uh, representation of this asterisk question mark. Okay, so it will matches one or more characters, so it will matches one single character, so it will matches any characters, any number of characters within that brace actually. So even if you give A B C D E F G until Z, right, I J K L M N O P Q R S T, so it can able to match any of these characters. So then you can say this and this almost same, yeah, right. Then you can better go for the star only. Okay, so that's about this. Okay, so we have option for question mark st, so it will look for only these two characters, and yes, t should must then star. From output only you can understand, so these are the outputs, right? For example, uh, yeah, so this is the output, right? Ls question mark. So question mark means third must be any letters will be there. Yes, yes, exactly. Yes, yes. So example in like interview also, if they ask like that, then you can say, yeah. So first two I want only single character, then third should be example A, and fourth, from fourth to until n, I means let it be any file, then you can use n, because I said third must be A and any number of characters, then you can use question mark question A. So based on their questions, right, you can frame using this while cards, and you can tell the answer. Okay. Okay, so I think you can share the screen now, Suresh, and we will go through that exercises now. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, Suresh. So I have doubt actually, like Oracle DBA, no? So you install Oracle, no? Are you connecting to any databases real time in your training? Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Just for example purpose, they will tell you, right? Okay, okay. That's what. That's actually it's not possible. Even in SQL, Putty, everything. No, you can install the tools, but you need real time environment. No connection details, username, password. Just in PPT, we will show you, and you can practice like that only, right? I think you can have this kind of web-based tools. I think, no, for SQL, Oracle, you can use take some sample database tables, and you can do select, right? Okay. So can you show that questions? Yes. Yeah. Means that exercises, no. So just you can tell me the answer and your approach. Sent you in Gmail actually. Uh, I sent Friday only. You said you already worked on that exercises. Okay, you asked me, Friday actually to send some sample exercises. So I created and I sent it to you on Friday in Gmail. Search with my name only, you will. No, you didn't work, huh? Uh-huh. 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 Okay. Okay, okay. Because no, last Friday you asked, no, so I created actually. Yeah. I thought you worked. It's okay. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. So yeah, you can. Okay, can you maximize it? This one, this notepad. Okay. Mm, okay, you tell the answers. It's easy only actually. Not much complex. Mhm. Okay, so you read the question and don't tell me. You open the command editor, that coding room, and you can type it and try to execute. Actually, that will be good approach. Uh, no. So you printed the working directory, no? You open that notepad also, no? Similar side by side. This coding room and notepad. Just you can check both. Yeah. So you want to display files in current directory in long format actually. Yeah. Yeah. Like it is. Yeah. Because you are printing the current directory path. No, you already typed actually. Yeah. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Yes. 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 So LS is LS and L. So L is like long listing. Okay. T, yeah. T means like time and R means recursive kind of thing. So can you try LS hyphen LTR space hyphen COLOR? Yeah, run it. Okay. So same, like there is no much difference listing the files in long directory, long colored format. I asked colored, right? COLOR actually. So that's the reason, no, it came. Can you remove this color? Uh, that word hyphen. Okay. So just you are adding color actually. Understand, no? Colored format, but here it's not working actually. Still it's black screen, no shell. Okay, but that is the answer for that. Okay. Yeah, yeah, real time you work. Okay. Yeah. If you want, you can remember, or better, you can write the answer, no, in that file itself, actually. Yeah. For all questions, like you write your approach here and execute it. I will tell what's the answer and we will correct it. Then you can put it in that notepad itself. Because after this, after 2 weeks, we might forget also, no? Even now it's easy, ls, then we might forget. So, ls, yeah. L also fine. Yeah, color. LTR also fine. Yes. Hyphen COLOR. Yeah. LOR. Okay. So second question, how to create blank file in Unix? Okay. Could you please show that? Because why I'm asking, no, for some question, some interview, no, they will give some kind of means they will give you a laptop and they ask you to write also. That's the reason. Okay. Yes, yes, exactly. Like that you have to show. Correct. Yeah. Yes. So create blank file using touch. So third question, how to change your path from current directory to root directory? Uh-huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. CD, yeah. Please change from your current directory slash user code. I want to root directory. So I said about what is root, no? So root is like base foundation. Yes, yeah. Okay. So if you type, can you try pwd? It should show uh, that slash, but it won't show. I think yes, because this is not real time, no. Because actually in my putty, if I go to cd slash, when I give pwd, it will show my root path slash. So you can yeah, write it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So write a command to remove the file, yeah, in Unix. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. So it will remove from left hand side. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Just maximize, no, that notepad. Question is still there. Yeah. Test.csv I have given. So you take any, okay, you have a dot text, no? Please check the file permissions first for that a dot text. Because first, you know, this question means first approach, we have to check the existing permission. Then we need to change actually. Yeah. So in your case, you have a dot text, no? You can take that file. Yeah. CH1. Okay. Can you try this? Okay. What happened? Can you maximize anywhere ch mode you typed? No, no, no. That one, no, it won't work actually. Okay, can you type PWD? Okay, Okay, okay. Now you try ls hyphen lt here, because there might be bugs we can't ignore, but still we need to use this coding rooms. Okay, it came, no? So a dot text, what's the permission? Can you put in the number? I mean, still the number. Uh, hmm Okay, okay, correct. So let's go to the question and see what kind of permission. Because if we already have 744, if I ask same question, no, no use, right? Yeah, that's the reason. So here I asked all privileges to owner, read and execute to group and others. So based on that, you can, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Here dot text only you can try. Here dot text. Okay. So just look the question. No, is the correct one 744? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. No, no, no. You always memorize. No, read, write, execute. 4, 2, 1. So now read and execute. Right. So 5. Yeah, that's very. No, no, no. Again, it's wrong. No. Here dot text. Again, permission 755, right? Because for user all privileges, but for group and others, read and execute. Yeah, this is the right answer. Still it's running. Okay, can you try refresh? That's what I do. Okay, what I can say, this read write execute, no, always you memorize, no. So we can't, because yeah, because very small thing only. Yeah, even if they conduct this interview through online, for example, any first round might be online, they conduct technical interview second round. So you will have in first round online multiple choice. Okay, so you have 744, 754, 745. So we should be very careful, no, otherwise you will do mistake. So if you memorize rwx 421, you can. Loading, no? Okay. Why like that? Okay. Okay, it's done. So you can try the permission, check the permissions. Okay. So 755, right? For, yeah, you can write the answer also. Yeah. CH mode 755. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Okay. I think. Okay. But I said. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Correct. Yes. Yes. That's the one. Yeah. Correct. Yes. Just you print which. Uh, what I can say, which OS, right? So if I need more details, uname hyphen a. Yeah. Okay. So it give which OS, Linux, and which version 5.13.0, and it's in AWS, okay, Amazon Web Service Cloud Platform, and Ubuntu, yeah, Ubuntu flavor, and timing with which time it got installed actually, and it's like 64-bit processor. Like you will get more details. So you name hyphen A, you must expect this question actually in interview. Yeah. So you can say no, it's 64-bit OS, right? Because from there you can see. Yeah. Can you open b.txt? Yeah, already is there. No, so you can create new file. So let's not disturb. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. That space is there. No, just we can be careful that before Supreme. No, that space is there. No, no, 1 second. That Supreme is there. No, you copied that space also, because here space, case sensitive, everything matters here. So copy from, yes, yes, correct. I said no that day. That space also it considered as one line. Yeah. So Unix very little careful. Okay. Okay. So just go. Yeah, you can see the content. Yeah. If that space copied, then that space might be in different. Yeah. So now I asked about the file permissions. No, actually, when you check the file, you can see. Mm. So default 744. No. C dot text. Yeah. Read write. So 644, right? By default. But I want. Okay. Just go to the file. No, once. Sorry. That notepad. So here, what I asked. Uh-huh. Okay. Can you click control? Is it? I think control. No, no. There actually in the notepad file, that content has been came. Control is it? Yeah, this is removed. That's the reason. Okay. So now create new file with 744. So already 7644 is there. No. Now change to 744. Create new file with 744. If it is 744 already, you just create new file, but already 644 is there. Now I need extra execute permission to user. Hmm. Hmm. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. 744. Okay, done. Yeah, 744 there. No. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, good. So yeah, please go to that notepad. Okay, so see, so seventh question, I gave like three sub points, right? Please perform below operations. So you will get same format only. Actually, not more than this actually. So I like in A, what I asked, no, create new file. You created, paste the below content. B, that is done. C, I mentioned one more operation. No, read full question. No, just read full question and tell. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. So here, three things you have to use. Yeah, tail. So one by one also you can use and show me. First tail and mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Bottom five. Yeah. Yes. Mm-hmm. That one, no, there is no delimiter actually. So I think ideally that line is there. No, it considered as one line only. No, no, you don't delete that one. No tail because everything I want to be performed means you are showing one thing, but just I want the output actually. So how to link two commands actually? Yes, yes, correct. So yeah, yeah, pipe. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So. Mm. Okay. So we have lines and words and letters or characters. So go to the question, no? Hmm. So I am interested in file with total letter count. I am not interested in word count. Yes. Yeah, A, B, C like that I want. Yeah. Now it will be increased. Hmm. No, no, no. Lines. L means lines, no? So only it give five lines. Uh, L and okay, one second. L is line, and you have used W, right? Okay, C. Yeah, C. I think characters. Yeah. Okay. So just this file output only I want, but I don't want this output to see from shell. I want in some file. So go to that one, no, and yeah, redirection. Exactly. Yes. 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 Yeah. This is output. So yeah. Yes. Yes. Correct. Hmm. Uh, you can use new file actually because once we create A B C, right? Let's go A B C D because you have some content in A dot text, no? So why to disturb? That's the reason. Yeah, please show me. Yeah, yeah. Can you show me? Mm. Yeah, 512 should be. Mm. Okay. Okay. Just to control is it there? Click there. And why means like okay. I want to just make a note of that answer. That's the reason. I think okay, it's okay. Fine. Just click on that. Control is it? Just controls it. Again, controls it. That answer actually. The tail command you use. No, it's not coming. Huh? Okay, okay, fine. Otherwise, you write it and okay. Because now it looks easy. Tomorrow, if I ask, no, you forget tail. That's the reason. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, right, that's A, means answer for that operation A, no? That one you remember, no? CS 744, just that CH mode 744 file dot text. Okay, that's one you just remember for this one. Okay, okay, mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, correct, yeah, mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. You can click on resume, no, on the bottom. It will again refresh. On the bottom you have, yeah. Okay, but I don't want this word count. No, there is intro command. I want that intro. So man intro. Just one by one you can try and see like this. Okay, so run it. Let's see it is coming. Yeah. Else, man intro should come. Man ls also not coming. Huh? Okay, okay, I understood actually. Because few comments won't support. No, that day I shown you from Putty. Yes, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So that day I shown you from my putty. In my putty, you can see this man command. So just make a note of the answer actually. Man space three intro. That's it. Yeah, man space three, man space three space intro. Yes. So if they want to specify third page of ls command means man space three space ls. Yeah, so in the current Linux package, they don't support man command. So that's the reason, no, it's not working. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So this one you can directly run it. Yeah. So it's not command. Yeah. So three answers are there. Yeah. So first one is ampersand. Yeah. So you just write it. No. First one is ampersand, and second one is FG. Yeah. Second one is FG. Yeah, second answer is FG space job ID. FG means, yeah, foreground space job ID. So if you use this, um, think, yeah. So for job ID, PS you can use, So you will get that job ID and FG that job ID. For example, two. Okay, FG space two means it will bring that process into foreground actually. To kill that job ID again, kill hyphen nine. Okay, kill space hyphen nine process ID. Yeah, PID. Okay, so this one actually you can tell actually, because kill means that process will die, but we don't know for which purpose. Yeah. Yeah. So just to remember ampersand to bring it fg space job id to kill hyphen 9 pid to kill that process. So you expect this also, this interview question also mandate. Mm-hmm. Sorted content, I want to see the output in a different file. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You can see the contents, the text. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what's my requirement? Can you see that in? So you created. So I want the sorted content of this file and see the output in del. So two things you have to do: sort as well as redirection. Yeah. Sort. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So you can use cat pipe sort pipe. Sorry, cat pipe sort and redirection. You can try one by one also. No? Cat. You use cat that command. Is that file name you have to use? Yeah. Cat means which file. No. So now you can see the difference. Just look on the file. No. Yeah. You can see now it's sorted, right? Justice came on the top based on the alphabetical, and now redirection. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Okay, Mike, I have one question. So you have s dot text, del dot text, right? So will both output look same or different? Yes, yes. Yeah. So if you click yes, you can see, yeah, this one not sorted. Yeah, that's the difference. Okay. Okay. So good initiative, Suresh. So almost you done without even referring the PPT anything. No, you directly write. So so almost 50% kind of topic we covered. 50. These are very very important. Even in my work environment also, no, these things only we use frequently. So almost 60% also covered actually. Okay. So like this I will give exercises you work. Okay, and finally like we will go for any very tough exercises, and you try to do that also and we will see. So this is actually good approach. uh, okay, you open coding room and you can write your approach and we will execute, and if any error or any mistakes, no, I will correct it, and you yeah, write those answers, because you don't expect more than this actually. Only from this only you will expect your questions from Unix point of view. Okay. Okay, okay, Suresh. Okay, in free time you try some other commands also in command coding room portal. That one I said, like